Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to log in to your tax-free childcare provider account. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type www.gov.uk and hit on enter right now. Now this is the official homepage of gov.uk. You can scroll down and look at all the features provided, but right now we only want to log in to our tax-free childcare account. Now let's begin. At the very top, you will find a button called as menu. Simply click on it. From here, what you need to do is simply hover over to childcare and parenting and click on it. Now it's going to redirect you to this new page of childcare and parenting. There are many options available, but from here, we simply need to click on this childcare. Now simply scroll down. Since we want to get tax-free childcare, click on this button right here that says get tax-free childcare step by step. Simply click on it. Now it's going to show you this step-by-step guide. For now, we only want to scroll down and go to step 4, which says sign into your account to pay your childcare provider. Click on show, and right here, there's the button called sign into your childcare account. Click on it. Now you're going to be redirected to this page. Sign into your childcare account. Scroll down. Here's the sign in button right here. Click on it. Now again, you need to click on the start now button to sign into your account. Simply click on it. In this new page, what you need to do is enter your government gateway user ID and password. In case you have any problems signing in, simply scroll down and here are the buttons right here. Click on the buttons respective to your problems. Right now, let's enter our details. Once everything's okay, click on the sign in button right here and then you will be logged into your tax-free childcare account. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how we log into your tax-free childcare account. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.